Welcome to the Charles and Gloria Jones Library tutorials. This tutorial will show you how to perform a basic search using the database OmniFile Full Text. OmniFile is a multidisciplinary database that provides full-text articles, abstracts, and indexing from over 2,000 different journals. Let's begin at the library's homepage. Choose Articles and Databases from the Find menu on the left-hand side of the page. Choose the letter O from the hyperlinked alphabet at the top of the page. Now scroll down and choose OmniFile. The database will open to the Advanced Search option. Enter your terms using the search boxes. For example, let's suppose you wanted information on social media use in marketing. Type the phrase social media use into the first box and marketing into the second box. Between the boxes is something called a Boolean operator. Leaving the Boolean operator set to AND will retrieve materials with both terms social media and marketing located somewhere within the record. The left-hand toolbar allows the researcher to limit results by publication date, full text, and material type. Let's limit the results to the last 10 years published. We will also limit results to full-text academic journal articles. Once you have the results list down to a workable number, you can browse the list and save those materials to read later using the blue folder to the right of each result. By clicking the blue folder, the materials are saved to a master folder that can then be emailed or saved. Just scroll to the top of the page when you have selected all the materials. Choose the full folder from the top toolbar. Select the articles you've saved by clicking on the box. And click on the email icon to the right of the list. You can indicate the citation format you wish to be included in the email. To do this, use the drop-down menu located to the right-hand side of the page. Please remember, as a current student or employee, you can access this database 24/7 using your LBC credentials. If you need further assistance, you can email the library at circdesk@lbc.edu or call. This concludes the tutorial on how to search using OmniFile Full Text.